Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Splash pads generally provide safe fun for kids and families. But if the water quality is not properly maintained, people who run around in the fountains can become very sick. In 2006, about a dozen children who visited a splash pad in Avalon Park contracted a parasite that caused painful bloating and diarrhea.
Let's help you make your mark.
Subtitle: Swallowing water in interactive fountains, splash pads, and spray parks might make you sick. Germs can get into the water through poop coming out or washing off our bodies. Swallowing water containing germs can make you sick with diarrhea.
Let's help you make your mark.
Since your kids will get pretty wet, a swimming suit is the best outfit for the splash pad. Water shoes are also a good idea to avoid scrapes and falls. My son's swimming suit includes a long-sleeve water shirt with UPF protection. If you have a one-piece swimming suit, you could wear it with some board shorts.
Take our lead.
Because water play areas' interactive fountains are relatively new, health departments may not have specific requirements for how this water is treated. The water play area interactive fountain may have been built without a system to make sure that contaminants are disinfected and filtered.
Take our lead.
Typically the water is either freshwater or recycled and treated water, that is typically treated to at least the same level of quality as swimming pool water standards. These splash pads are often surfaced in textured non-slip concrete or in crumb rubber.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.